ladies, it's Mama Martin here with another episode of Love Always Me. Not me, you, engaging in activities that enrich your mind, body, and spirit. Today, we're delving into the 3 U's: understanding, unity, and uniqueness. These qualities help us connect deeply with ourselves and others, fostering compassion and celebrating our individuality. Understanding is the ability to see things from different perspectives and to listen with empathy. It's about creating space for both our own and others' experiences. When communicating with someone, make it a habit of repeating what they said to show you understand their feelings. I used to struggle with jumping to conclusions, especially in heated discussions. When I started practicing understanding, I found that making time to listen made a world of difference in my relationships. Now, unity is the sense of togetherness we feel with others. It's about finding common grounds and recognizing that we're all interconnected. So practice unity by joining a group or community that aligns with your values. I remember when I joined the community support group, it was so heartwarming to connect with others who shared similar experiences. That sense of unity reminded me that I wasn't alone in my struggles and that together we could uplift each other and have fun while doing so. Lastly, uniqueness celebrates what makes us different and special. It's about embracing who we are without comparisons. So write down 3 things that make you unique and reflect on how they contribute to your life's purpose. For me, my uniqueness came from sharing my experiences as a mother, a mentor, and an advocate. These roles brought together different facets of who I am, creating a life that's truly my own. So my babies, let's deepen our understanding, foster unity, and celebrate our uniqueness. These U's help us foster a life of compassion, connection, and authenticity. What makes you unique and how do you share it with the world? Let us know in the comments below, and please like and share, subscribe. Remember, our hearts, our minds, our souls desire peace. Your heart, your mind, your soul desires peace. Until next time, love always me, and that me is you.